My life be like, yeah. My life be like, yeah.
Welcome back to Dream Machines Decoded. Today we're diving into neon-lit streets of Tokyo where the roar of engines meet the screech of tires. We're talking about the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift and the fascinating world of JDM culture. JDM, or Japanese domestic market, isn't just about cars, it's a lifestyle. Born in the land of the rising sun, this automotive subculture has taken the world by storm. But to understand Tokyo Drift, we first need to understand the art of drifting. Drifting isn't just about looking cool, although it certainly does that. This technique of oversteering through corners originated on the winding mountain roads of Japan. Legend has it that Kunimitsu Takahashi, a motorcycle racer turned driver, pioneered this technique in the 1970s. But it was Keiichi Tsuchiya, the Drift King, who turned it into an art form. Speaking of the Drift King, did you know he had a cameo in Tokyo Drift? That's right. The master himself appears as a fisherman watching Sean trying to drift. Talk about authenticity. Now, let's talk about the stars of the show, the cars. Tokyo Drift features some of the Japan's finest cars. The Nissan Silvia, the Mazda RX-7, the Mitsubishi Lancer Evo, and so on. These aren't just cars. In the JDM world, they are legends. Each one has a story, a following, a soul. Take the Nissan Silvia S15, driven by Han. This car became so iconic that it influenced real-world trends in car modification. And Han? He became such a fan favorite that filmmakers brought him back for later installments, completely rewriting franchise timeline. But Hollywood isn't reality. The Tokyo Drift took some liberties. The underground racing scene in Tokyo isn't quite as dramatic or legal. Real street racing in Japan is highly illegal and rare. Most drifting happens in controlled environments or sanctioned events. That said, the movie did get one thing right: the passion. The dedication to perfecting one's car and driving skills is very real in JDM culture. It's about more than speed, it's about precision, control, and style. The impact of Tokyo Drift on global car culture can't be overstated. After the film's release, interest in JDM cars and drifting exploded worldwide. Suddenly, everyone wanted to mod their car with underglow lights and massive spoilers. But creating this cultural phenomenon wasn't easy. Filming in Tokyo presented huge challenges. Did you know that many scenes were actually shot in Los Angeles? The crew had to work hard to recreate the look and feel of Tokyo's streets. And the driving? That took serious skill. The actors went through intensive drift training to make their performances believable. Next time you watch, pay attention to the footwork. That's the real deal.
Good. Good. Good.
One of the most interesting aspects of the film is how it blends American and Japanese car cultures. Sean's journey from muscle cars to the precision of JDM vehicles mirrors the real-world trend of Western enthusiasts embracing Japanese automotive engineering. Since Tokyo Drift, JDM culture has continued to evolve. Today, it's not just about drifting or racing. It's about appreciation for Japanese automotive engineering, design philosophy, and the meticulous care that goes into maintaining and modifying these machines. As we wrap up, it's worth reflecting on why this film and JDM culture resonates so deeply with car enthusiasts. Perhaps it's blend of tradition and innovation, the balance of power and precision, or maybe it's simply the thrill of mastering a machine. Whatever the reason, the Fast and Furious Tokyo Drift did more than entertain. It introduced millions to a rich automotive subculture and inspired a new generation of car enthusiasts. So, the next time you hear a distinctive purr of a rotary engine or see a car sliding sideways through a turn, remember, you're witnessing a piece of automotive history, a culture that spans continents, and a passion that shows no signs of slowing down.
Hey guys, I'm Matt. As you have seen in this video, from now on I will get behind, and my dear friend Han would be telling you new stories and creates even better journeys. It was a nice journey with you for a few episodes. I will be behind the wheel for the next episodes. Thanks for everything.
This is Dream Machines Decoded, where every car tells a story. Until next time, keep your engines revving and your dreams in high gear.
My life be like.